the 2019 Dodge Charger. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, speed-sensitive wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, power front seats, heated steering wheel, blind spot sensor, and much more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.